Kia ora, I'm Logan Van Beek from the Wellington Firebirds.
Michael Bracewell here.
Zara Jetley from the Wellington Blaze.
Jimmy here from the Wellington Firebirds, and I'm at the iconic Basin Reserve to give you some tips on how to make your lawn look that good.
Here's a few things that will help you out.
The best time of year to sow your seed is right now, March and April, and also spring.
So get into it.
Once established, it will need a feed.
Use a premium turf-specific fertiliser such as Tui Lawn Force.
This formulation provides a balanced amount of nutrients and outstanding results for New Zealand lawns.
Watering is your best friend. So make sure you water it straight after application. Straight after your morning coffee is a great time to get the water on that lawn.
By ensuring your lawn gets enough food, water and fertiliser, it will become thick and healthy and help stop broadleaf and weeds from creeping in.
Use the Tui Basin Reserve lawn seed and grow your little slice of the Basin Reserve at your place.